Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Myself Narendra, and I am from Kotak Product Team. I would like to thank you all for joining this session. So basically, today's session is all about NEST Trading Platform, its features, and how it is going to be different from other EXE platforms. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen with you all and explain you the features which are there in present in the NEST Trader, its importance, how it is going to be useful for you. Okay. So I hope my screen would be visible to you. So this is Nest Trading platform, and this is a landing page. Once you log into Nest Trader, this page will come to you. So if you are a first-time user, you need to log in Nest Trader from your desktop or your laptop via user ID, password, and OTP, which you will receive in your registered mobile number. Okay. Once you have logged in, you'll be getting this screen. One second. So for first-time user, the screen would look like this. So you need to add your watch list first. So to add your watch list, you need to navigate to market menu, go to market watch group setting. So this screen will get popped up. Here you need to define your group watch list name, let's say BAC. Okay. Then click on add new. This watch list name will get added. And from here, script bar, you can add your scripts. Okay. So let's say you want to add your script for cash segment. You can do it from here. You can select NSE or BAC, select your script and click on add button. Okay. So you can create n number of watch list, n number of scripts in particular watch list. So all those options are available. So for derivative segment, what we are providing you. So let's say for Nifty futures, you want to add all option contract with all strike price. Okay. So you can add Nifty here, select option from this drop down, all option securities for the selection. Okay. If you click on add, you will be getting all the future index of different expiry. If you select your option index, Nifty, so you can get all the option strikes for that particular underlying Nifty. Okay. This is how you can add multiple contracts of single underlying at one go. Okay. There are other options available. As per your need, you can use all these options. Okay. Once you have added all the contract or all the scripts, you can save all these groups. Once you have saved the group, this group will be visible in your watch list. So you can see I have created BAC. BAC is reflecting here. Okay. With cash script, with Nifty futures, and all those options which we have added at one go, those will be visible. Okay. So once you have added watch list in your Nest Trader, from this watch list you can create n number of watch list again. There is an option available. If you do right click in any of the watch list, there are so many options available. You can rename your group. You can close this group and open new one. You can delete this group. Uh, Save function is there. Okay, and tab orientation is also there. If you want to move one watch list to another side, you can do that from here. Okay, once watch list is added, what all important features are there in the Nest Trader, that I will let you know. So then once you have added watch list, you can add your script as per your want. For seeing the market picture of any watch list, you can simply double click on the watch list on the particular contract, and you will get this screen. Okay, in this screen you will come to know best buyer, best seller, with high, low, close, open price, with volume, everything, all details will come here. Okay, and if you have taken any positions in this particular script, how many quantity you have taken, that will reflect here. What average price you got at the time of buying, that will come here. At what value you have bought, what is the gain and loss in this particular contract, M2M, everything will come here. Okay, from this window, if you want to search any other script, any other segment, that is also possible. So we are not restricting user to go again to watch list and click open snapshot window. So we are also providing combined market depth. If you want to see the buyers and sellers of both NSE BSE, you can use this script. Since this is an market is closed and dummy environment, currently it is not available. But if you are trading in live, you'll be getting BSE depth, NSE depth, all 10 depths will be available here. Okay, in this sequence of price and quantity. Then we are providing top N. If you want to see in NSE which all scripts are at the top 10, which are scripts at the bottom 10. So you need to select the category first based on the percentage change previous close. These are the options available. If you want to see only just EQ series, you click on here. Just a second. So currently market data is not available in production. You'll be getting whatever scripts in NSE is there listed, and top 10 script will come here. Okay. Then we are also providing VWAP statistics. VWAP statistic you can use when you want to see the high-low weighted average price of particular time interval. Let's say 5 minute, 1 minute. So then you can select a particular script. Let's say Nifty. You can decide the expiry, and you can put here interval in minutes. Let's say 5 minutes. If you click on Get Statistic, in each 5 minutes, what was the volume, what was the high, what was the low, all data will come here. Okay. Then yeah, once this is done, I'll tell you how you can place order in any of the contract or any of the script. So if you know the shortcut keys, these are general keys F1, F2 for buy and F2 for sell. Okay. If you press F1, so this is a buy order placement window. So in this, you'll be deciding the price, the quantity, the order type, the product type. Okay. Order type we are providing limit market SL market. SL market means you can only you have to define the trigger price. Once it is triggered, whatever the available price in the market as well as limit. Okay. So product we are offering to our end users, CNC, which is used for cash segment. If you want to do investment, you can use CNC product. If you want to do, if you want to take intraday positions, you can use MIS product type. We are also offering MDF, where you can leverage your position and 20% margin will be blocked. You can carry that position. Okay. NRML product is being used in FNO segment, derivative segment for taking carry forward positions. Okay. We are also offering prime product, which you might be aware, to take extra leverage. Okay. And then validity, you can decide. Want to place IOC order, day order, commodity we offer GTC, GTD. Okay. So from same screen, if you press F2, you will get sell screen. Okay. One important feature we are providing the order placement. Let's say you want to buy ABB of let's say 1000 quantity. But before placing order, you want to know what will be the cash or margin requirement for this particular order. Let's say you define price as 3100. Okay. If you click on check margin tab, it will give you a picture of what was the ledger balance in the beginning, what margin is already utilized, what is the order margin for this particular order. Okay. And if you are having any shortfall of funds, that shortfall will reflect here in insufficient fund. Okay. So apart from normal order placing window, we are also allowing you to place multiple orders via basket orders. So in basket, just a moment. Yeah. So this is a basket order placing window. Okay. So with this feature, what you can do, you can add n number of orders in any segment, any quantity, at any price. So I'll show you some example. Let's say BAC, ABB you have added. You want to place order in NSE, in Reliance. So this way you can add NFO contracts. You want to create some strategy of different combination that you can do, and at one go you can place all these orders. Okay, one by one, all order will send to exchange. So before placing order, we also providing an option to place order at what price. Okay, either you can place at market or limit, or there are certain options available. If you do right click in basket, these are the options available. So by selecting all orders, you can enter applied LTP price. Whatever LTP was there at that price, order will be placed. If you want to place at market, you can apply market. If you want to place a buy order and you want that whatever the best seller is available at that price, it should go as limit. Apply same means if you are a buyer and whichever buy is at the top, at that price it will be placed. And other options are same like apply LTP with market protection. Okay, market protection means let's say LTP is 100 and you are placing a buy order. If you define market protection as 3, the order will be placed at 3%, 97. Okay, it will create a range from your last traded price and order will be placed. Okay, if you are facing difficulty in adding multiple contracts manually in basket feature, we do provide an option to create your own file in Excel, CSV file, and import that file via clicking browse option. Okay, and the format is very simple. You can add one script in the basket feature. You can simply click on export list. One CSV file will be generated, and in the same format you can add your other contracts or other scripts. So one basket is done, we do provide AMO orders. Okay, let's say market is closed and you have pre-decided that tomorrow I want this order to place once the market is open. So for that, we are also giving individual order placing screen. And if you want to place multiple basket orders, you can use basket order for AMOs. Okay, this is the same screen which you use for normal basket. Functions are same. Only thing, these orders will get stored at the server level. And once that 9:50 market gets open or 9 o'clock pre-open session opens, all orders which are in AMO status will get placed. Okay. So then we provide cover order entries. So in cover order, what happens? While placing order, you also want to define the stop loss order. Okay. So let's say you are placing an order at 100 limit. We do provide two options in order type, limit market. So just a minute. So at the same time, you can define your trigger price for second leg stop loss order and submit it. So both orders will be placed at the exchange at the same time. Once first is getting traded, your second leg will remain in trigger pending status. If that price comes into the market, that will get triggered and will get executed. Let's suppose at 315 or 320, your trigger pending is still in trigger pending status. You can simply go to order book, select the trigger pending order, and click on exit button. What it will do? It will modify that order from trigger pending to market price, and your position will get squared off. We can't keep this CO position open to next day because these are intraday orders. Okay. And also we are providing check margin option. You can see what margin is applicable before placing the order. Okay. We are also coming with bracket order feature, but it is not yet live right now. Hopefully in month it will be live. So in bracket order, I'll show you the screen once. So like covered order, you can place two orders. In bracket, you can place three orders at one go. One would be your position initiating order. It can be either limit or stop loss. Okay. So once those first order gets traded at this in order at the time of order placing only, you need to define at what price this stop loss order should get placed and at what price target order should get placed. Okay. So you don't have to define the absolute price. You need to just define your spread at what spreads SL should place. So let's say example 100 is your main leg price, and you want that your target should get placed at 110. Sorry, 110. Then you have to define 10 rupees, and your stop loss at 95. Then define 5 rupees. Okay. And also at the same time, we are providing trailing stop loss feature. What it does? Let's take an example. Your first leg gets executed at 100, and you want that if my ABB price goes up to 102, my stop loss order from 95 should get changed to 97. So here you can define trailing ticks of 2. Okay. Once price moves to 102, your stop loss will get modified automatically from the system, and the price will become 97. Okay. Then spread order for derivative contracts or currency contracts. So how you can add first spread contracts. So script bar is there where you can search spread contract. Select NFO. So in this section you will get normal contract as well as spread contract. You can select your underlying December, January, and if you press F1 in this contract, spread order window will get open. So from there you can define whether you have to do long roll or short roll. Long roll means you want to sell your current month Nifty and buy near month. Okay, that is long roll. And if you want to do short roll, you can uh, take a long position in December month Nifty contract and do short position in Jan month contract. That is long short roll differentiation. Okay. So here you need to define the difference price only. Okay, between one expiry to different another expiry. Okay, we do provide option of 2L, 3L, 4L for option contract. If you want to place two leg order, 3 leg order, you can simply select 3L, define your option contract, define price, and submit it. If it is as good as market order, it will get executed. Or if it is a limit order which status is remain open, the order will get cancel immediately, because in 3 leg, 4 leg we don't provide option of day order. Exchange doesn't support it. We only have option of IOC. Okay. Okay, so order placing I have explained you. Now, if once order is placed, if you want to see all your pending order, completed order, for that we provide an option of view orders and trade menu. In this section, you will get all the monitoring tool like order book, trade book, everything. So in order book, so you can see there are this is open order section. You can see open order, and this is completed. In completed, you can get all rejected, cancel, then RMS rejected orders and completed orders. Okay. So for modifying, we do provide option of modification, cancellation, exit will work for cover order and bracket order, and cancel all option is there. If you want that all these four orders should be cancelled at one go, you select those order and click on cancel all. So apart from this, what all things we provide in order book, we can put some filters based on your need, timing wise, market limit, stop loss is there. So this filtration you can do. Other than that, if you let's say there are 5 6 order open in same symbol or same underline and you want to change price at one go. Okay, so select open order first. I select the status. Let's say there are this number of orders open. Okay, so this do right click, go to modify price. So as you can see only two orders are selected. Okay, and you want to change the price to 1280 for both the order. Click on modify. So for this both order, the price will get modified to 1280. So multiple modification of prices possible via order book. Okay. And also if you want to see some specific sets of order, so we do provide option to filter each and every column in the order book. So just to press Control F and you can put filters in any of the column. Like you want to see open orders or any specific symbol, that you can do. You want to see any specific order related to product type, that is also possible. Status wise filter you can do, timing wise filter you can do. So all these options are available. Okay, also if you want to take this report to your Excel sheet, so you are having an option to do write to Excel. Okay, so all this order will be written to Excel sheet and you can refer it for later purpose. So then trade book, all order which are completed, those will come here. Okay, so same like order book, buy quantity, buy value, sell quantity, sell value, what average price you bought it, at what average price you have sold it, everything will come here. Okay, now to see positions, whatever open positions you have. Okay, so there is an admin position window is here. Just a second. So by default, if you are a client, you don't see this many clouds, only your code will be visible here. When you expand all option, short. So there is a shortcut key available, Alt T. If you do Alt T, it will be in expanded form. You might see some difference from other broker to Kotak Securities Nest Trader because Kotak Securities is having Nest Trader version which supports interoperability. Okay, so that is why your position window you may see different via other broker. Okay, so in interoperability you can buy SBI in NSE in, let's say, in MIS product type, and at the same time you can sell it in BSC in MIS product. So no margin is requirement for selling your existing position which you have taken intraday in another exchange. Okay, so that is why we collate one symbol and map it to both the segments, NSE as well as BSE. Okay, so from here you can see your mark to market, net quantity, everything. Okay, so based, and you want to see any specific segment position, you can put filter on the exchange segment column and you can select that. Okay, so coming back to square off of your open position, so we do provide option to square off all. So just select all, click on square off. So all order will be executed into market price. Okay, but you don't want to square off your position at market price, you want to define some price, so you can use this logic. So these options are available, LTP market counter or with market protection. Okay, so there were queries from end users that I just want to square off my open option buy position. So then what we can do? So we do provide an option to filter your option position. Put Control F. In instrument name you'll be getting, currently we are getting EQ, and this is for BSE. If you are having option position, here it will call option stock or option future. Select that, and your all option position will come here. Select those position and click on square off. So whatever option position you have, it will get squared off. Okay, just this. Yeah. So now I'll talk about holdings. Okay, how we can view your portfolio holdings. So go to this holding section, view holdings and collateral value. Yeah. So this is your holding window. Select, by default that client code will be selected for you. So in this code, I am having two holdings. One is in ABB and another one is ACC. So real-time valuation will be available for NSE as well as BSE. Okay, you can see your holding quantity, how many you have sold it during the day. That quantity will come in use quantity section. Okay, and if you want to square off your holdings, then we do provide an option to select, and you can either select quantity or based on amount you can square off your holdings. Let's say out of 100 quantity you want to square off only 50 quantity. Define 50 quantity here and click on square off. This tab will get activated and click on square off. Okay, either one individual holding you can square off, or you can select multiple holdings at one go, and based on amount also you can square off. Let's say 1 lakh rupees of holding you want to square off, select some 5 or 6 stock which worth rupees more than 1 lakh and click on square off. It will calculate internally by the system and try to square off your holdings of worth rupees 1 lakh. Okay, and one more feature we do provide holdings, like let's say you have n number of holdings in your portfolio and you want to add those scripts in your watch list at one go. So just simply go to market watch, click on watch list, right click on the watch list and click on add my holding. Once you do that, whatever scripts are present in your holding, those will get added into watch list which you have opened already. Okay, so apart from these, we do provide few other add-on features like span calci. Okay, so span calculator we do provide, where you can, before placing an order in derivative or currency segment or MCX segment, you can see what would be the margin requirement for this orders. Okay, you can add 5 6 contracts in the span calculator, and you can find out what hedge benefit you are getting uh, in five contracts. Okay, if you are placing an order individually, margin requirement is different. If you are creating a strategy position, hedge position, margin requirement will be different. Okay, so before placing order, we'll come to know what will be the margin requirement once these orders are traded. Okay. Okay, so somebody is asking about charts. Okay, so we do provide charts, intraday chart. So you can add intraday charts by doing right click on your watch list, and you can add these many indicator which is available in the left corner. Okay, so you can put your configuration setting in the watch list. You can do zoom in, zoom out. So all these configurations are available for charts. So you can also open 5 charts at a time. You can set those charts in your screen, and you can view 5 charts at one go. So you want to see your ledger balance at beginning of the day, what ledger you had, how much margin is being utilized, what is your collateral value, all those things you can view it from RMS limit section. Just select your client code. As you can see, the ledger balance will reflect here, cash margin available. Okay. What is margin already being utilized in your open position, open orders? What is your realized M2M, unrealized M2M? Okay. What is your premium is being considered? If you have placed a buy option, that premium will get debited from your ledger balance. So those value will come here. And also, if you are getting a collateral benefit, this benefit will reflect in the collateral section. So these are the columns available in the limit section. As per your requirement, you can add any column and click on save. Okay. In the download section, you can see your open position, real-time updation of your position and mark to market. Okay. Apart from this, if you want to place orders at faster speed, so if you see, if order placing screen, there are so many parameters are there. Okay, but you don't want that every time I should place order, I should not change all these parameter. I want to predefine my parameters. So we have user setting option, customize user setting option. Just a second. Yeah. So this is a preference setting window where you can customize your settings. Okay. So in watch list, you want to change colors of your strips. If it is uh, if the strip is trading higher compared to previous day close, what color you want? If it is lower, what color you want? If it is 52-week high low, that color you can change. Okay. Based on your need, you can decide your color. Font you can change. Okay. Related to order placement, either you can select segment all. This will be applicable to all exchanges. You can set your number of lots as well. Okay, by if you are placing an F1 order, F1 window in your Nifty or Bank Nifty, by default minimum number of lots what should come, that you can decide. You can also decide in which product you generally place order frequently, that you can decide. Order type you can keep market limit. Okay, validity also you can keep, and other checks are also there. Let's say in at UI level only you want to keep the circuit check, that you can define. Okay, single click option is available. Either you want submit, enter, or you want only enter is sufficient enough to place an order. So those are the things available. Focus you can change either in order quantity or order price. So these are the setting, you can do it from preference setting window. Okay, so one more option available, like shortcut managers. So if you are not aware about the shortcut keys of all the features, so you can take a dump of this set, and you can take a reference for each feature, what is the shortcut key. And also there is an option to change your shortcut key from default to your own shortcut key. Okay, you can see from two option is available. Select any of the feature, double click it, and you can put what was the default key and what you want to have the shortcut key. So that way you can do it and click on modify. Okay. Also, we do provide view report option to take backdated trade reports. Okay. So in this section, you just select report type trade, segment you have to select. 1 second. So this is the window where you can take backdated report of your trades. You can select the date range from last 1 month. If you want to see, select date range and click on generate report. So one notepad file will be generated that you can keep it in your system for your future reference. Okay. So in if you see in Watchlist, there is a section available message bar. So in this message bar, you'll be getting your orders and trade logs, everything. Exchange messages you'll be getting. If your broker admin is sending any messages, that also you will see all these messages in the system. Okay. And apart from this, if you want to set some alert based on the price of any of the script, so that option is available. Set alert either in index or security alert. Okay. So what all combination available? If last traded price is greater than so and so, that you can set. You can put remark. So once this alert is triggered, you'll be notified in the system, as well as you can keep your email ID over there. That trigger message will reflect in your email also. Then we do have calculators like option calculator. Okay, if any particular options quantity you want to see the IVs. So few fields you need to enter your details, like the underlying the IV values you want based on the underlying or the futures price or lower. So both options are available. Here you need to, if you have selected futures, spot price will come here. Actual market value, what is the LTP going on? Volatility you need to enter the IV of market. What is the interest rate going on? If there is any dividend that you can enter or you can ignore, or you need to put the number of days to get this contract gets expired. Once these details are entered, click on calculate. All these IVs values will reflect here for call and put separately. Okay. So I hope I have covered all the important features which are there available in the Nest Trader. Apart from this, there are so many features which you can explore once you will have the Nest Trader. The watch list, there are so many sections. You can have derivative chain, option chain. Option chain I will show you. This is important feature, option chain. So let's say one option contract I will add from here. To right click on the option contract. Sorry. Okay. So you can see all strike price for that particular Nifty expiry. Okay. I'll go to the spot price section. There is a auto center option available. If you check this, whatever spot price is running, based on that spot price, this strike price will get adjusted. Okay. From this window also you can place buy order, sell order for any of the call strike price or put strike price. Simply double click on the any of the strike and you can place order. Okay. Yeah. So other important features in NestTrader, if you can see, link to Excel is there. You have added few contracts in the watch list and you want to see this feeds updation in your Excel sheet real time. So link to Excel is there. Do all item selection, open Excel sheet and do control paste. whatever strips available in the watch list, those will be available there, and the feeds will get updated on real time basis. So once that is done, you can put your own formula in the Excel sheet, and you can get the output. But yeah, order placement is not available in the from the Excel sheet. Okay. So yeah, I have covered all the important features, and now I'll go to the section where I can see whatever questions you have put in the chat portal, and I'll be explaining you all those questions. Okay. Yeah. Just give me a moment. I'll collect few points related to application. And okay, so I'm getting question from Manjesh that Kotak Nest not so facility available. So see, if you want to use Nest Trader application and if you are a regular trader, you can just reach out to the support team or raise a request and ask them to provide you the Nest Trader. Our support team will get in touch with you. They will send you a mail to download the Nest Trader application, and you can download that and you can start using Nest Trader. Chart is not opening in Nest. It should open intraday chart in Nest Trader. Just raise a query to the support desk. They will help you out with your query. Yeah. So there is a very important question coming out. What is the difference between Nest and Neo? So Nest is a part of Neo only. So in Neo, we are providing different platform for trading. One is mobile platform, other one is web platform, and the third one is desktop-based Nest Trader. Okay. So if you are no, if you are not in your home or office, you cannot access your laptop or desktop. So at that point of time, you can use mobile platform. And if you are sitting in your desktop or laptop, you can simply use Nest Trader for faster trading execution. So if you are a user of Kotak Neo, client of Kotak Neo, you will get all these three options available. Okay. And fourth option is Trade API also we provide. Just a moment. Is this a replacement of Kitex Pro? So yeah, if you are already a Kitex Pro client and you want to move to Kotak Neo, so once you have moved to Kotak Neo, you'll be getting Nest Trader EXE platform instead of Kitex Pro. So please mention system requirement for the application. Application code gets closed when certain option is selected. Okay. So if you are adding multiple contracts in your watch list, let's say the count is 500, 600. So for that, you need to have some high configuration system like 8 GB RAM and with high processor. So that will resolve your problem. So yeah, in Watchly we do provide drag and drop options. Just select that, and from mouse you can drag it to anywhere where you want to set your contract. So open interest chain, yeah, I have already explained. In NestTrader, we do provide option chain. If you go to option chain, you can see all strike price, open interest, volume, everything will reflect there. How to add Nifty 500 stock in watch list? In beginning, already I have explained you while creating watch list, you select any of the segment contract like Nifty, okay, and there is certain option available in the drop down. From there, you can add multiple contracts of that underlying. Okay, so there is one question. If I shift to Nest, Neo access will be closed. No, it is not like that. You will have all three platforms at one time: Neo Mobile, Neo Web, as well as Nest Trader. So somebody is saying no cover order in Neo. No, we do have cover order in all three platforms: mobile, web, and as well as Nest Trader. So what makes Nest Trader different from others? So as I mentioned, in position window, you see all those options of filtering, square off. There are so many options available to square off your positions. You get a basket feature where you can define at what price you want to place an order. You get faster execution in Nest Trader because you can customize your settings. So this is how Nest Traders, as per me, is different from other EXE platform. So you will be getting, yeah, there is one question that in a mobile and web platform, you are not getting SLM order type option. But in Nest, we do provide SLM is available. If you just want to define trigger price, not limit price, you can simply select order type as SLM and place an order. Okay. So for login into Nest Trader, there is one question from Gunjan. How will be the user ID and password? So once you have the access of Nest Trader, you can simply use your PAN number in user ID field. And for password, there is an option available to reset your password. Once you click on reset password, you need to enter your user ID, a PAN number, date of birth, registered email ID. Click on submit button. You'll be getting one OTP in your registered mobile number. With that OTP, you can generate your password. Okay. Yeah. Can't log in. Okay. So, okay. So somebody is asking how to place GTT order. So for commodity, we do provide an option to place GTT order, but for equity and FNO, currently there is no option available for GTT, but it is in our pipeline. Hopefully, we'll get it very soon. GTT order for cash and FNO segment. So one query is from Dhananjay. On MacBook, does Nest work? So no, Dhananjay. This Nest only works on Windows laptop and Windows desktop. Okay. Earlier, we used to provide. Refinitiv was used to provide this on MacBook, but later they have stopped this. They are not providing any support for MacBook. Option payout calculator. 1 second. I'll be sharing my screen. 1 second. Just a moment. Yeah. Margin calculator and option payout calculator. Margin calculator we have. Option payout calculator will be getting that in Neo platform like mobile as well as in your web platform. Okay. So Priyasri Enterprises is asking about bracket order feature. Yeah, in Nest, in 1 month or 1.5 months, you'll be getting Nest bracket order feature. In mobile and in platform, it will take some time. It is in work in progress is there. So hopefully you'll be getting it soon in your mobile and web platform. Yeah, does stock option available in Nest? Yeah, we do have option change for all the derivatives, all the MCX and currency segment. It is for index as well as for stock options. So I hope I have covered the question raised in the portal chat portal. So I'll wrap up the session and thank you everyone for joining this session. Have a nice time. Thank you.